So this is one of the advanced exercises I guide for many of our patients to use if they have lower back pain. Now, key to determine if this is right is that we need to do some preliminary assessment. So you need to see your corrective chiropractor for that. I may help you with figuring that out at the end of this video, but for right now I want to go over how we use our wobble chair or our wobble disc. So what you may notice is I'm sitting on my wobble chair here, and what we're going to look to do with this is wind up creating motion between our pelvis and our rib cage. So for this, I'm going to have you wind up keeping your torso still and go through a few different movements. The first movement that I'm going to have you do is to shake your hips from side to side. Now, I think you should do this on a chair with arms so that you can hold on and work on keeping your torso still. You really want to keep your feet flat, and I'll be honest with you, this is not about speed and it's not about how far you go. As long as you're going back and forth, especially if you've got a lot of restrictions in your lower back, that's going to start the process. You need to commit to doing this and doing this over time, and what you'll find is you'll gain more motion. I sometimes call this a bit of a Shakira movement, right? Like my hips don't lie. The next one is going to wind up being a little bit more of a forward and back of your pelvis. So we're going to wind up arching our lower back and straightening it out and flattening it, going forward and back. It's a little bit more like a pelvic thrust, and we're going to go back and forth with it. The next one we're going to do is we're going to go around the world in a circle. So we're going to go all the way back, around and forward, all the way around back to the middle. And then the last one that you'll do is going the opposite direction in a circle. Now, the way I like to do this is 10 of each of them at a time. And then I like for our patients to do it for about 5 minutes. If you've found that this is helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you know someone who's got lower back pain, go ahead and send this over to them. And I may work on seeing if we can figure out how to get these wobble discs into the comments below so you know where to get them. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.